Great. Welcome back, everybody. This is our final session and our final session on the main stage today. We're delighted to be joined by Raji Sagamore from RUMC, which is the RCSI and UCD Medicine Pathway Campus in Malaysia. Especially I'd like to thank Raji for joining us today because it's already 30 p.m. for her. So thanks very much, Raji, and I'll pass everything over to you now. If people have any questions, if you want to pop them in the chat at the bottom, what we can do is I can address those to Raji at the end of her presentation. Thanks very much, and over to you, Raji.
Thank you very much, Ray. A very good afternoon, I must say, to everyone in Dublin, and a very good evening to those who are in Malaysia. My name is Raji Sagamore. I'm the head of corporate marketing at RCSI and UCD Malaysia campus. So today we are here to learn more about the affordable pathway to get into a medical degree with RCSI and UCD Malaysia campus. So without further ado, I'll share my screen. Okay. Ray, can you see my screen?
I can, yeah. If you just want to go into presenter mode.
Yeah. Is that good now?
Yeah, all perfect.
Okay. RCSI and UCD Malaysia campus is basically a foreign branch campus of the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland and University College Dublin, right? We are physically based in Malaysia, in a northern state of Malaysia known as Penang. We are the foreign, as I mentioned earlier, we are the foreign branch campus of the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland and University College Dublin. We have been in existence over the past 25 years. In fact, this year we're celebrating our Silver Jubilee anniversary. We were established in the year 1996 in Malaysia in partnership with Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland and University College Dublin. We are owned by these two universities. So far, we've had over 1,900 medical graduates. I can't say the same next week because we are going to have our conferring ceremony, our 20th conferring ceremony, and we will be reaching over 2,000 graduates by next week. RUMC has a single focus on healthcare. Our main program would be medicine, and we also offer foundation programs as well as postgraduate programs that are related to healthcare. We provide Irish medical education. Our program is accredited by the Irish Medical Council as well as the Malaysian Medical Council. What this means is our graduates are able to practice in many countries around the world. In fact, we have graduates practicing in Ireland, UK, North America, and numerous other countries around the world. So this is a sample of our parchment. With the program, you will have the best of both worlds. I will explain why. This is the campus, as you can see in the picture. On your top left, it's the RCSI campus. On the top right is the University College Dublin campus, and below you can see the RCSI and UCD Malaysia campus building in Malaysia. Okay, the qualification that we provide is the Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, Bachelor of Obs and Gynecology, which is known as MBB CHBAO. This is equivalent to MBBS. This is how it's called in Ireland. For DIFC students, the duration of the program after you complete your DIFC foundation would be for 6 years, which means for the first 3.5 years of the program, you'll be based in Dublin in either the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland, followed by the last 2.5 years of your clinical training in Penang. For the DIFC students, you are required to have a minimum of A, and B in your IFY. And we also have an online interview for you to complete to be eligible to enroll into our program. The tuition fee for the program, this is the approximate tuition fee that we have for DIFC students. You will be, the first 3.5 years in Dublin, it's about 19,000 euro per semester, where you have 7 semesters to complete. When you come back to Penang, the last 2.5 years, you will be paying about 11,400 euro per semester, and you'll have 5 semesters to complete before you graduate with the medical degree from National University of Ireland. We provide a high quality biomedical sciences training and early exposure to clinical skills when you are in your preclinical years. This means when you take the RUMC, when you decide to enroll in the RUMC program, you'll be starting your first year in Dublin itself. You'll be completing year 1, year 2, and year 3 in Dublin at either RCSI or UCD, because they are our owners. And then, as I mentioned earlier, I'm repeating this again, you will be back to Malaysia to complete your last 2.5 years in Penang. So we emphasize on high quality preclinical training. Our students, some of you who know RCSI and UCD pretty well, our students get very high quality training, preclinical training in Dublin, where they are also exposed to, they also have early exposure to clinical skills while they're doing their preclinical training in Dublin. So it occurs, as I mentioned earlier, it occurs during the year 1 until the year 3 of med school. The emphasis is primarily on basic sciences relevant to understanding clinical medicine, anatomy, physiology, learning about both normal and abnormal processes that occur within the organ systems. 3 years set in the foundation for understanding and success during the remainder of the medical training. So during your clinical years, so this is the difference between the RUMC program and also doing your 5 years in either Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland or in University College Dublin. While you're doing your preclinical years in Dublin, you will have an immersive experience with students who are also in the 5-year programs in Dublin. But in your last 2.5 years, you will be back to Penang state of Malaysia. If there are Malaysians here, you know where Penang is. It's a tourist spot in Malaysia. It's also a food paradise. You'll be coming back to Penang, where we are the only medical school in the Penang state of Malaysia, and you will have exclusive access to training hospitals in Penang, where you will also have the opportunity and hands-on experience with patients. Sometimes you even get a one-on-one with patients if you're lucky, right? So you'll be rotated in all clinical disciplines required for undergraduate training while you're doing your clinical training in Malaysia. Okay, so these are the medical disciplines that you will be learning while you are in your clinical training in Malaysia, namely the medicine, surgery, public health, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, psychiatry, and family medicine. For doctors, this is an infographic of your natural career progression. Upon completing your medical degree, you'll be in the DIFC students case, you'll be doing a 6-year program upon completing your foundation, after which, depending on the country that you are from or the country that you go to, you will be registered as a house officer or as an intern for 1 or 2 years, depending on the country that you go into, after which you will be registered as a full medical practitioner. In some countries, you'll be known as medical officer. Like, for example, in Ireland, you'll be known as a house officer. After you complete this, you can actually pursue your specialist registrar training on the specialization of your choice. About RCSI, most of you would know the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. It's a very popular name among the international students, and I would say we are known as, RCSI has got the best simulation facility in Ireland, and one of the best, it's a home to Europe's largest medical clinical simulation center. That's what I meant to say. Founded in 1784, Ireland's largest medical school, it's in the heart of the Dublin city, ranked within the top 2 in Times Higher Education World University ranking. RCSI has more than 3,500 students from over 60 nationalities. It is also a healthcare focused and research intensive university, and students have the option to choose the accommodation in the campus vicinity itself. So these are some images of RCSI. Some of you who are already in Dublin, you would have seen the RCSI building. We have a state-of-the-art building in St. Stephen's Green. And that is on your top right, you can see the students learning with the simulation center as well. That is the building and some of the classrooms. Okay, sharing some pictures with you. some of RCSI's facilities. Okay. And then we have University College Dublin, which was founded in 1854. It's the largest university in Ireland, ranked within the top 1% in Times Higher Education World University Ranking. UCD has over 70 degree programs, over 30,000 students are studying there from almost 120 countries. It is one of Europe's leading research intensive university as well. Students have the option to choose the accommodation on campus if they're studying in Dublin, in UCD. These are some of the UCD campus facilities, also state of the art. Okay. Why study medicine at RUMC? You might be thinking like, what is the purpose of doing my first 2.5 years in Dublin and then going back to a Southeast Asian country, which is Malaysia, to complete your clinical training. RUMC provides an alternative pathway for students who would want to learn Western medicine and get the first 2.5 years training, high quality training in preclinical training in Dublin. And they would also, it provides the best of both worlds experience for students because we provide internationally recognized Irish medical education delivered transnationally. By taking on this program, you learn the best of both worlds, the healthcare system in a Europe country where they have the best facilities and state-of-the-art campus and also traditional way of learning medicine. And when you come back to Malaysia, where you have sole access to hospitals in Penang, and you will have a very high quality clinical training, and you learn tropical diseases like dengue, malaria that you will not normally see in the Western countries, right? RUMC offers a highly cost-effective tuition. Why I'm saying this is because as opposed to doing your 5-year medical degree in Europe or in the UK, RUMC offers similar quality training, medical training for you with almost half the cost. Right, so that's why I mentioned earlier. This is an alternative pathway for you if you're looking to get a high quality Irish medical education, but also learn the healthcare system in Asia as well as learning the culture of the Asian culture as well. Right, so these are some of the advantages of choosing the RUMC program. I'm done. Okay, so that's it from me today. I didn't want to keep it too long, and I think I wanted to share some of the very important points to note for students who are considering the RUMC pathway. If you are waiting to join DIFC, you'll be doing a 1-year program with DIFC, if I may say that, Ray, and then you will be joining either RCSI or UCD for the first 3.5 years of your training, and then you'll come back to Malaysia to complete your clinicals. We have had many students whom are in the program from DIFC. In fact, I saw one of our graduates this year, Don, right? I saw Don. Saw you posting about Don in your website. So we are really proud of the DIFC alma mater alumni who've joined us. We have many students in the program from different countries joining us for the program. So I think I'm done with my presentation. I'm happy to take questions, Ray.
Great. Thanks very much, Raji. And just to touch on the point that you just made there, we were delighted this week to see Dawn, who was actually with us in 2015, and she's actually been the front face on our brochure for a couple of years. So it was absolutely fantastic to see her graduating in Malaysia from RUMC this week. Thanks very much. I know time was brief, but we really appreciate you joining us today, especially given the time difference. And I'd really like to say a big thank you today to UCC, University of Limerick, Maynooth University, NUI Galway, MTU, Munster Technology University, RUMC, Raji, who's still with us here, GMIT, Mary Immaculate College and National College of Ireland, all who joined us today for our DIFC virtual fair with our Irish partner universities. I've actually learned quite a bit today, even though we've met many times, Raji. You know, for me to listen to you again today, it's good and refreshing. And I think the big thing about the RUMC pathway that I try to get across to students when I'm overseas and parents is, I suppose, the practical experience in Malaysia of dealing with diseases at maybe a more advanced stage than they would do so in a Western culture like Ireland or the UK. And I think this is really valuable when it comes to graduating as a doctor and making yourself more attractive to hospitals and clinics and practices. You know, having that experience as a graduate will really stand you in good stead. So, you know, thanks, Raji. It's been a pleasure. And
thank you for having me here today.
Absolutely an honor for us. And stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.
You too. Thank you very much.
Great. Thanks again. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.